Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down the essentials of pharmaceutical due diligence, specifically focusing on the requirements summarized in ICH Q10. If you're a quality manager, you'll find this particularly useful. First, let's talk about what ICH Q10 is. It's a guidance document developed by the International Council for Harmonization. Its primary goal? To ensure the pharmaceutical quality system is robust and compliant. So, what are the key elements you need to focus on? ICH Q10 outlines four main areas: process performance and product quality monitoring system, corrective action and preventive action, CAPA system, change management system, and management review of process performance and product quality. Let's dive into each one. First up, the process performance and product quality monitoring system. This is all about continuous monitoring. You need to ensure that your processes are performing as intended and that your product quality remains consistent over time. Think of it as the backbone of your quality system. Next, the CAPA system. This is where you handle deviations and non-conformances. Corrective actions address existing problems, while preventive actions aim to stop potential issues before they occur. It's essential to have a robust CAPA system to maintain compliance and improve processes. Then, we have the change management system. In the pharmaceutical industry, changes are inevitable, whether they're related to processes, materials, or regulations. A well-structured change management system ensures that changes are evaluated, approved, and implemented in a controlled manner. This helps maintain product quality and compliance throughout the life cycle. Lastly, the management review of process performance and product quality. This involves periodic reviews by senior management to assess the effectiveness of the pharmaceutical quality system. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about making informed decisions based on data and trends. Now, why is all this important? In short, effective pharmaceutical quality systems ensure that patients receive high-quality, safe, and effective medications. They minimize risks, enhance transparency, and improve overall operational efficiency. So if you're a quality manager, embracing and implementing the principles of ICH Q10 is crucial. It's not just about compliance, it's about building a culture of quality and continuous improvement. To wrap up, remember these key points: continuous monitoring, a strong CAPA system, effective change management, and regular management reviews. These are the pillars of a robust pharmaceutical quality system. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep striving for quality. You can learn more by visiting us at pharmamax.org for a variety of insights and service offerings from SolutionsMax Technology Services. Explore deeper insights on pharmamax.org for tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform for managing the pharmaceutical supply chain. Experience efficiency and peace of mind with our single ecosystem tailored to your needs. Visit pharmamax.org for more information or contact us at support@solutionsmax.com.